Creatures of the day and monsters of the night, welcome. It's a beautiful night in the graveyard. I'm your host, Mortis, and today we'll be taking performance technology back to its roots and talking about the basics. No, not playing, not performing, and not even chords. We're talking about electricity. Electricity is a flow of electrons, subatomic particles whose motion carries power. Electronic devices can change this power into other forms of energy, like light, heat, and even sound. These electrons aren't being consumed like you might think. Instead, the flow of electrons is what powers devices, kind of like how flowing water turns a water wheel. How well a material can move electrons around is referred to as its conductivity. Metals are generally good conductors, which is why we make wires out of copper. Some special wires are designed to be so bad at conducting electricity that they heat up and glow, which is how incandescent light bulbs work. Unlike light, though, sound is a bit trickier. Sound is composed of vibrations in the air. We hear when these vibrations reach and vibrate our eardrums. Or, well, you do. I don't have ears. I don't actually know how I hear. Anyway, we need a way to turn electric power into kinetic power. This is where speakers come in, but first, electromagnets. Electricity and magnetism are interlinked through the jointly named electromagnetic field. Electric fields create magnetic ones, and vice versa. Electromagnets are made by running electricity through a coiled wire wrapped around a metal core. The electric field produces a magnetic one, which is how electromagnets can turn on and off. This is how speakers work. To put it simply, speakers have both a magnet and an electromagnet. By changing the direction and strength of the current that flows through the electromagnet, the two magnets attract or repel each other. You guessed it, that's kinetic energy. This motion is translated to vibrations in the air by a membrane and funnel, which are the basic elements of a speaker. I'm going to show you a bit of a speaker in action. The speaker is connected to a battery by a series of wires, but the circuit is broken by screws and other metal bits. Anytime there's a change in the current, the electromagnet within the speaker moves, and that motion makes sound. Watch. Here, we can get a good close-up of the speaker itself moving.
Sounds like a DJ like scratching.
Yeah, this would go hard at the club.
This is the basics of how speakers work to convert electricity into sound. We'll be doing a lot more with audio technology in the upcoming weeks, but until then, this is Mortis, signing off.